So I'm here at the start of Humboldt Peak today. I was trying to drive up the 4x4 road, but it's way too slippery, so I'm gonna hike it. It's a 13-mile round trip with a little bit over 5,000 feet gain. It's a beautiful day. It's about 40 degrees, zero wind. Just a beautiful day to be out. I started a little bit late, so that's my only concern, but I should be okay. I'm gonna push the pace. So this is a 4x4 wheel road. It doesn't look too steep, but it's steep enough to be slipping with this little bit of snow. So you're definitely gonna have to park at the two-wheel road parking lot. Mile one on this road. Still haven't reached the trailhead. Feeling good though. So I'm about 2 miles in, and we come to the Rainbow Trail Junction, and this is where you want to go to the right. Luckily somebody went before me, and I've been following footsteps, which really helps. I've been using their footsteps and didn't have to put on my crampons. About a quarter mile after that little bridge, I was just following the footsteps, and you just veer left and try to gain to the summit of the ridge. This is the first current I've seen bushwalking through here, but I'm almost at the ridge, so going good, I think. So I'm finally at the East Ridge, and it's pretty easy to follow after you make it there. Just make a left off of the first bridge, about a quarter mile, and then once you get to the ridge, make another left, and it's easy to follow. There's not much to see in these woods. You just gotta make sure you stay at the top of the ridge. I take back what I said, that it was an easy to find trail. It's only been easy because this guy's left ahead of me and I'm following their foot tracks, but otherwise you make sure you better have a good GPS or something. Finally coming out of tree line. I had to put on my snowshoes at the end there. It was just too deep. I guess the fall summit. Made it to the top section of the ridge. Gonna try to finish it. I'm running low on time. It's 2 p.m. and it gets dark by 4:30. So that means I got 2.5 hours to get down to my car. Final pitch. This is so beautiful here. Picked a perfect day. I just wish I would have started a little earlier. Kind of in a hurry to get up there. This ridge part is just beautiful. You got views on both sides. Amazing. The Crestones. And to this side you got Kit Carson and others. Humboldt Peak Summit, 14,064. Yeah. It's my trail. That's the East Ridge. Yesterday was my birthday, and this is how I wanted to celebrate it. Come out to a 14er, so happy birthday to myself. Brought it a cupcake. Midday snack. Getting ready to head back down any minute. It's just a good day. Thank you, Lord. I couldn't ask for a better day. It's probably like in the 30s, but I've been wearing a t-shirt all day, sweating. The sun is just beaming. Can't complain. Beautiful day here at Humboldt Peak. Give you one last look before I head down. That's Pikes Peak over there. That's my home turf. I made it to the top in a little bit under 4 hours. I'm trying to make it back down before the sun sets at 4:30. So I gotta speed it up. And I'm back down to tree line. That was the most difficult part, from tree line all the way to like 13.5. Man, that was so steep. And with the snow, I wasn't making much gain. But made it. It's the most important. And now I just got the downhill to go. I'm back down on South Colony Road and back to my car. That was 5 hours and 40 minutes. That was very, very difficult. I underestimated this one. The snow, all that area on the East Ridge, going through the trees is deep snow. And that just really beat me up. It slowed me down so much. I almost can't make it to the top, but I did. I'm glad I did. I pushed hard in the last bit and made it to the top by 2:30. And got 2 hours spare time to be able to run back down. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Watch other videos I like. For today, I'm done. Peace.